Hello, people. So, since yesterday I put up like three posts on Instagram, and just now I finished writing one more. Yeah, it's a bit tough doing Instagram and this, and I have a eye healing class in the evening. So, and in between I finished all this cooking, cleaning. Cleaning is still to be done, but yeah, cooking, cleaning, and also it's a bit. And then I plan to because my sister will call me and she'll say, Amu, why don't you update your CV? And when in fact content writing from one place to get your source, is in itself convenient. So that's something I'm pursuing finally. So really, no, because set up this channel to sit and discuss all my life's problems and issues, yeah, with you folks, rather than just, how much of gyan can I give, yeah, about book review, movie review, this, that. And just now I made a video on palmistry also, like about, you know, the fact that I conduct palm reading in Hyderabad. So really, people, let me know in case you all are interested, because I plan to do palm reading, because this is something I just feel I'm meant to do. So I will be doing it. Yes. So really, people, now I'm rambling. It's crossed a 1 minute video. So on that note, and I enjoy making these sort of videos that completely like with no agenda and just like speaking. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.